Let's look at cautions when you apply for the unemployment benefit in Korea. The detailed process to claim unemployment benefit is detailed on the website of Employment Insurance Corporation. Here. But it is all in Korean, no English at all, as I know. Anyway, I will link this address below. If you have any questions, call this number, just 1350, or visit Employment Insurance Corporation office near your area, since they have a section for foreigner. I think the foreigner section can speak English. Anyone who paid the unemployment insurance premium can apply for the unemployment benefit even though you are a foreigner. But you had to pay the unemployment insurance premium at least over 6 months. If you want to know whether you can get unemployment benefit or not, you can call 1350 and ask them. Caution number 1. If you want to get unemployment benefit, you have to apply for. If you don't apply, there is no unemployment benefit, and the application period is limited. You have to apply for in 12 months after resignation or dismissal. If 12 months have passed already without applying for unemployment benefit, the qualification for apply will disappear. And if you get a job without applying for, the qualification to apply will disappear too. Caution number 2. You can get the unemployment benefit due to only involuntary reasons. If you are a contract worker and leaves your job due to a termination of contract period, you can get an unemployment benefit since your case falls under involuntary reasons. If the contract period is not finished or you are a regular worker, you can apply for the unemployment benefits only in the case of involuntary resignation or dismissal due to financial difficulty or merger of the company. In Korea, the status of the worker is divided into contract worker and a regular worker. Contract worker has a limited working period, such as 1 year or 2 years, and a regular worker has no limited working period. Caution number 3. You can apply for the unemployment benefit even though you have got it in the past. But a certain period has to be passed. When I ask Employment Insurance Corporation for the period, they say 1.5 years has to be passed to apply for the benefit. If you change jobs several times or take a break for a while, it is different case by case. You have to ask Employment Insurance Corporation for that. Caution number 4. If you work as a part-time, even for a short period, you have to definitely notify Employment Insurance Center located at your area you are living. For example, if you work only 1 day in the middle of getting unemployment benefit, you have to definitely notify Employment Insurance Center. If you miss the notification, you have to pay back double of the amount you have got due to just one day. In recent years, the computerized operating system of several government departments is integrated. So the insurance corporation definitely will find out just the only one day you work it. It is unemployment policy, so it is no use complaining or begging for that. And Employment Insurance Center will explain several times certainly for the duty of notification before paying for that. So be careful. It is useless even though you say, I didn't hear or I didn't know. Question number 5. In case of getting a job in the middle of receiving unemployment benefit, notify Employment Insurance Center. You can get an employment allowance. The amount is not small, so please don't miss it. If you don't apply for the employment allowance, you cannot receive it. Fax application is accepted. Question number 6. Even in case of making a business license in the middle of getting unemployment benefit, you have to notify as well. If you get unemployment benefit without notification, you have to pay back double of the amount you have received. So please be careful. Question number 7. If you go abroad in the middle of getting unemployment benefit, you cannot receive it. If you have a schedule to go abroad, please inquire of Employment Insurance Center before leaving. Question number 8. Unemployment benefit is not increased in proportion to the amount of wage, but operated by a flat amount of around 50,000 won per day. The period of getting unemployment benefit is different according to the working period. I hope the tips for caution is helpful for you for getting benefit without a mistake in Korea.